Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Stocks Vanguard, only way. Open a Vanguard brokerage account, fund it, and choose an order type before placing a trade. I'll walk you through account setup, funding options, research tools, stock orders, and simple cost checks. This guide uses clear steps and friendly tips so you can feel confident buying individual stocks or ETFs at Vanguard without confusion or jargon today. Settle in and we'll cover account types, funding, and research tools so you can act with confidence. Choose an individual taxable account or an IRA based on your goals, then link a bank or transfer assets. Use Vanguard search and lists to compare tickers and check commissions and expense ratios before buying. I also explain limit versus market orders and basic diversification steps to protect your core portfolio today simply. Placing your first trade is straightforward and calming when broken into steps. Pick a ticker, set share amount or dollar value, and choose market or limit order depending on price control. Review estimated cost, confirm trade, and monitor fills. Adjust or cancel open orders if needed. After purchase, use Vanguard's performance and dividend tracking to review holdings and rebalance periodically for risk management and long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.